Hi, I'm Chuck from SoCal Smoke Barbecue.
Grill Master Chuck.
And welcome to Cooking with Cruisers. Let's see what we can find. Dorito nachos. Turkey and cheese sandwich. And let's add something with a little bit extra flavor. We're gonna add some more salami and cheese. We got some nice mayonnaise.
Nice mayonnaise for your cruisers.
Some utensils. And let's take this back to the house and see what we can do with it. We are back from Cruisers. We picked up our supplies, and what we're gonna do is take this sandwich right here that everybody has seen and questioned about how good they are.
Grill Master, how good are the sandwiches?
We're gonna make it good today. But what we're gonna make is a grilled cheese turkey sandwich. We are gonna add the salami and cheese slices that we got there as well. And when you make your grilled cheese sandwich, you gotta have something on the outside. Budget item right here is gonna be the mayonnaise.
Nice mayonnaise for your cruisers.
And then we're gonna use the plastic fork, the knife. We're gonna make our sandwich, so we need to get it open so we can deconstruct this and then put it back together.
Now that's a knife. Like butter.
So we're gonna take our cheese, which has 1 slice of salami and 2 slices of cheese, and we're gonna add it to the sandwich because who doesn't like some extra cheese?
With love.
The next thing we're gonna apply is the mayonnaise.
Nice mayonnaise for your cruisers.
So we're gonna go over and light the grills. This is gonna take a little bit, but I think I have a hack around this.
Only an experienced grill master with years of proper training to operate the Green Mountain Grill should proceed with this very difficult operating procedure of turning on and starting the Green Mountain Grill.
We're gonna go right over here, light our Green Mountain Grill, just like that.
15 minutes later.
We got our Green Mountain Grill up to 350 degrees, and now we're gonna put our sandwich onto the grill. Our stuff is done, and now it's time to pull it from the grill.
Oh! Sweet save.
And now let's add some of our Doritos to it and make this a full-on meal.
Yay!
So here is our grilled turkey and cheese sandwich with our Doritos. Let's take it back to Cruisers and see how it tastes.
And now, fine dining at Cruisers.
Country edition.
I have prepared for you today a grilled cheese and turkey sandwich with some side of Doritos. Yeehaw! And how was your sandwich? I'm Chuck Jones from SoCal Smoke Barbecue, and this is Cooking with Cruisers.